Hi everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be talking to you about making images smaller in Microsoft Word. And these are images that you have imported into Microsoft Word, and it could be Word 2019 for Windows or Word 2019 for macOS. It works the same way, what I'm about to show you, because Mac and Windows now have the same interface for Microsoft Word. So here's the challenge. I have this image in my document. This is a manuscript for a book, and it's too big. I just imported it. It basically is covering the whole column, and it's pushing all this text down. And the other thing is when this is printed out, this giant image is just going to look a little bit weird. So I want to make this a lot smaller. And one thing you can do to make something smaller is you can just highlight or just tap the image. So these little buttons appear on the side. And then you could grab one of them, like the middle one here, and then just make it shorter. But you see what just happened there? I just dragged this up. It made the vertical height shorter, but the horizontal width is still the same. And actually, this person now, it's a very elongated looking picture because the vertical has been squeezed or crushed while the horizontal remains the same. And now it looks like she has this giant chin, and it's a little bit odd. So there's another way to do this. I'm going to undo that change. And that one way to do this is to select the picture and then use one of the handles or the little squares at the corner, not the one that's in the middle, either in the middle on the bottom or on the side, but right in the corner, any one of the corner ones, and then you just drag that in. And you can see what's happening is it's preserving the aspect ratio. So this is what I want. I want something that's this size. And then if I wanted to, I could center it just by selecting it, and then on the home toolbar, selecting the center text. And that actually centers the image as well. There's one other way to make an image smaller, and you might use this way if you have an exact size you want to make the image. So here again we have this giant image. It's too big. I want to make it smaller. Select the picture, and then instead of going to the Home tab, you want to go to something called Picture Format. And by the way, Picture Format, you will only see this if the image is actually selected. On the right side of the Picture Format toolbar is a height and width controllers. And the great thing about this is that when you adjust one of them and then put the cursor in the other one, it will automatically update both of them. And that's because this little checkbox is checked. It says lock aspect ratio. So let's say that my designer told me that, Ian, the width of this image can be no more than 3 inches. So I'm going to say, okay, that's great. I'm just going to make this 3 inches wide. Okay, I've done that. And then I'm going to put my cursor in here to the shape height, and you can see it updated to 2 inches automatically. It just mathematically figured it out and did it for me, which is great. So again, I have the image. It's 3 inches wide. That's exactly how wide I wanted to. If I wanted to make that centered, I could just click Home and then center text, and there we go. For more information on how to get the most out of Microsoft Word, we have this great book. It's in the second edition right now, Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Thank you so much for watching.